Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So y'all, I've got a new unit on today. Makeup and stuff already done before noon. Today's a great day for me because that is not typical. Y'all, let's get into this hair really quickly. This is the new unit from Klaiyi hair. This is their no slip wig with 3 upgrades, you guys. I am wearing a 7x5 closure unit. It is yaki texture. It's so freaking good. I believe this is 22 or 24 inches, but they've added 3 new upgrades and I'm gonna tell you them right now. I got them right here just so I don't forget. So the first thing that they've done is added 3 strips of silicone right at the top and then around the nape of your wig. It is going to help your wig stay in place. No slippage happening. They've also added a deep stretch cap so that it's gonna fit everyone and it's gonna fit you comfortably as well. So the last thing they've done is added an elastic strap. No longer can you like undo it in the middle. It's just one strap and you can adjust it. And what that's gonna do is make sure your lace does not lift and it's nice and flush to your head. So from here, you guys, they have really done everything for you. This is probably one of my most favorite wigs of the year, and the year is almost over with. But y'all, you really don't gotta do much with this unit. They have done the work for you. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to do any plucking. Done, 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 and done. Let me show you exactly how I did this. It's really quick. It's really easy. Perfect for my beginners or if you just need a go-to wig, especially this holiday season, in your stash. So let's get it. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to do a little unboxing and give you guys a up-close look at everything I just talked about. So here is the unit, Yaki unit, you guys. This hair is absolutely wonderful. No smells, no tangles, no nothing. I am in love with this wig. It's been pre-plucked, pre-bleached, as you can tell. Here is the deep stretch cap and the silicone bands with the silicone grip around the nape as well. And they do have a comb in the back. I always remove my comb. It just gives me a better fit. And then you also have your new elastic strap with your drawstring for a little added security. So y'all, this is how I've been going around lately, okay? This hat has been my best friend because look at this. Look at these braids. I have had these braids in for so long. I am overdue for a wash day, but not today, okay? So just pop my little HT cap on, tone it down a little bit with some powder, and now I'm just going to adjust my little elastic strap and pop this unit on. So from here, y'all, depending on what you're doing, you can either just run out the house like this if you're that kind of girl, but this is completely glueless. You do not need a heavy, a hard, whatever adhesive for this unit because they've done all the work for you. That's how it looks with nothing. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of my Eben spray on my hairline because I do plan on keeping this on for a couple days, and this Eben has been doing the trick for me, y'all. And I'm just gonna dry that down, and then I'm gonna give you guys an up close look at how this came out. Look at that, nice and melted. I just used whatever was left over on my makeup brush, little powder, and just put it on my hairline, adjusted my drawstring in the back, and then I am good to go. And this is how we are looking. If you are not an edges kind of girl, you can skip this part, okay? You can just go about your business, you know, flat iron your hair, curl it, which I'll show you guys how that looks in a second. But as for me, I was feeling some exaggerated heavy edges this go around, and with this yaki texture, y'all, it's much easier, or I think your edges kind of come out a little bit better if you use like a pencil curling wand, which I rarely do, but I do for yaki hair. It just curls them a little bit better. So I'm gonna do that to both sides. Grab my Lotta Body foam and put a little bit on there, get them exactly how I want them to be. And then I'm just gonna use my black strap and my elastic band just to secure them and really melt this lace in these baby hairs down. Y'all, make sure you check the description box. I'll have the exact link to this hair down there, as well as a discount code for 25% off. Enjoy Black Friday prices now, okay? Y'all don't have to wait. Also, my Amazon store will have all the products and things that I typically use, and everything else, like what I'm wearing, hair stuff, hair tools, all that stuff is also listed in my Amazon store. So don't forget to check that out as well. Y'all, look at this. Look how melted this lace is. Come a little bit closer. Come closer. Look at this. Look how good this looks, you guys. It looks like it's just growing out of my head. I am in love, 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 love. And it's nice and secure. This wig is not moving at all. So next step, you guys, because we are wearing this bone straight to start off with, I'm just warming up the wax stick in my hand. I started doing this because I realized I'm a little bit heavy-handed with the wax stick, and it ends up just putting too much oils and products on the hair and not leaving it like with any bounce. So just warmed it up in my hand a little bit and rubbed it through like close to the scalp, and then just used my hot comb. Use heat up to 450 degrees. I believe this setting that I have it on is at 400, and that took really well, no problems. So all I'm going to do as far as styling it this first go around is just flat ironing it straight. I didn't have to do any cutting. I didn't want to do any cutting, to be honest with you guys. I love the length. I just love this unit, honestly, like as it is. It was perfect. The ends didn't need to be cut. They weren't dry. So I just left it alone, you guys. All right, friends, last but not least, let's get into these final touches. Added a little bit of concealer. I don't know what I was gonna say, but concealer to my part, along with a little powder on top of that to make sure it doesn't move. Fluffed my little hairline out, my little edges out, and then added a little bit of oils to my hands just to run through the hair. I'm gonna touch up my makeup just real quick, and then I will give you guys the first look. So next, y'all, I'm just gonna quickly pull the hair back, just showing you some versatility of this unit, and then I'm gonna curl it and kind of do the same style that I'm doing right here, just for like more, I guess, of a holiday look. If you got events and stuff coming up and you don't want to wear it bone straight, you can definitely curl this hair up to 450 degrees as well. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave me some comments below. Also, don't forget to check the description box. There will be a discount code for you to get this unit. Add to cart immediately. I hope y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'm so thankful for you guys for your love and support over these years. Thank y'all for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.